Hello everyone, Sam here from creativetrading.system.com. I'm making this small video as a weekly recap and trades taken last week, which I did yesterday, Friday. So let's get started. Today is Saturday ending already, and Monday, Sunday is starting. 4th of July is gone, and 5th July, 5th is started already. It's 12:31 a.m. So let's get started. This is the first trade on the 28th January when the market opened up on Sunday. It was already there from last Friday, and I closed that here at 80 pip, right? From the 20-minute chart entry. Now, here, this is my setup. This indicates all the way down, red turned into blue, and I have my entry right there, and SL move to break even. Once the price breaks this high here into this area, I move my SL to break even. This is how the setup works in 7 minutes as well. The same setup, same conditions. So now this is the first one. The second one here, gold, same thing. You can see that the setup is exactly the same. This is a short setup. Blue candle turns red. EMA is all aligned. This indicates all the way up, turning to the downside. Sell order is right there. SL move to break even plus once we break this low here. So this is on the 29th from 40.50 to 40.28. This is pound yen, same drama, same setup here. This was the entry, this was the entry, this was the entry. Beautiful entries, right? So when at the time of the entry, my SL is right behind the high or the low, which in this case, this is the low, right? So right there, and it is always 25 pip. So, rest assured that my SL is always 25 pip, and as soon as it goes a little bit high, like into this area, take out this high. That's it. I move break even plus, and it's a free trade from there on. That's how it is, right? So max I lose. If I lose, it's 25 pips. So a lot of times then when it goes like this here, I move my SL to from 25 pip to maybe 15 pip risk or maybe 10 pip risk, right? And sometimes the SL hits, but I lose like 5 pip, 10 pip, or 15 pip. But if it is going in my direction, then I hold and measuring the daily range and all of that, the next SNL level, and end up having something like that. Right. So risk reward ratio is very, very big. Now, this one is 120 pound Aussie. You can see the same drama, same setup. EA is taking the trade. I have an EA, this CTS7, that opens the trade automatically and plays the SL 25 pip SL, hard SL. Always, as soon as the trade is open, the SL is there. Just in case if market reverse, I lose only 25 pip. That's it on a 20-minute chart, 15 pip on a 7-minute chart. The SL is 15 on the 7-minute chart. Right, so that's the max that I can lose if my SL is hit. And you can see all of these trades, none of them went back as soon as the trade is open, then it goes in my way, right? This is gold from 40.44 to 40.15 to the downside. And this one is USD yen. You see, entry, entry. But what happened to these entries? My SL got hit at break even. This one, I went there, break even. This price came back, boom. Then again, entry, price came back, boom, gone. Right? So if I lose 10 times, but they're all like break even, none of them matter, right? That's how it is. But this one went up a little bit, so I, recorded says that maybe it's gonna come back and hit my SL. So 65 pip. Okay, that's fine, no problem. Take it and run, right? Euro yen, it's just like that, 80 pip on the 30th buy orders right there. This was a beautiful trade as well. This one, gold coming to the downside. By the way, I have gold. I made the gold video. You can watch. Everything was predicted, and I was just taking the entries in that direction. That's all. So 40.15 down to 39.85, right? And it was a start to bounce, right? I'm late a little bit by, in closing this one because it should be closed here, and then this long should be taken. Right? But since my short was still alive, I missed this long here. But I caught the other one, so I'll show you later. Oh, okay, this one, see that? From there, it went up and then came back down here. So EA took this order from 40.19 to 40.95. Big move, right? This is how, and my daily chart said so that we're going to be bouncing from there. Gold down here again from this all the way here from 40.70 to 40.33. And then this one is pound yen entry, long entry, 65 pip, because yen is like very shaky right now. Everybody's talking about that intervention, but it's not happening, and yen is not getting as strong. So the pairs are like dragging to the upside. They go into the upside because there is no intervention, and the yen is keep getting weaker, but they're just dragging because people are afraid going long. Yeah, afraid of the intervention. So pound Aussie, beautiful entry here. This was the entry. This was the entry. This was the entry. Anyway, this one 115 pips on the first. So on the second, pound USD, this is the one that it started to go. This was the trade here. See that? And then this entry just took off from here, 75 pip. By the way, this one, for example, let me just show you that how my 40-minute chart helped getting that. My chart was like this, right? That this thing is going to go from here to here, right? And what really happened right now, what we are doing is, let me see where the pound USD. So I made the chart. So this is the move. This is the move here. I made this chart for my ebook that I'm making, right? So how to draw the fib and all that. So don't worry about it. So this is a setup, and we are at the reversal zone now. So now my new chart is that it's gonna drop, right? But from here to here, we went straight up to the upside. Let me see if I should have an after chart. Let me see 7. Yeah, this one probably. You see that? So from right there, I said we're gonna go up and straight up. So this trade basically is from there, right? This move. This was the entry. This was the even this one was entry, 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 and I probably had the entry, but this is the one that this week happened again. One more time, 75 pip. This one USD yen coming down. This is the entry. My SL, just got saved by the bell, right? And then drop, right? But even if my SL hit here, this will be the entry, next entry. The EA would take this one, right? And then I will be positive here, this one. So, but from here to here, it's 90 pip. Right? And Bitcoin, I had my video about Bitcoin that we're gonna bounce from a level, and then we did bounce, came down, my SL hit. Then again this one, and then I survived, my SL survived. Then from 60,400 to 61,530, right? And Euro yen dropped from there, 115 pip on the second, and on the second gold going up again. Beautiful by the book entry here, right? And gone with the wind. I mean, my EA somehow missed, and I had it off actually by mistake. So by the time I knew, I found out that my entries are not taken, or what the heck happened. So I manually took this one. Right here is the entry. It should have been here, right? It should be this one here, but that happens. No problem. So 4140 to 4185. This one, Bitcoin, that same thing, same entry here. I held and from 6040 to now, it is 62,755. Now this is where I closed on Friday. All right, so these are the trades taken, like 15, 16 trades last week. And I showed you pound USD. Similarly, a lot of other charts are there that worked out very nicely. And well, my current chart is this one, that this is going to drop. There is another one that let me just show you. I think was a pound Aussie, right? So it was also that, it's going to go up from here to here. So I had pretty good trades. And now I said from top, there's going to drop. So it dropped so much here, and then the week ended. So now I'm saying that, when the a new week start, it may try to go up a little bit more to either this high or this high, 93.15, and then eventually it's going to drop, retrace to this move to the upside. Okay, so it's coming back from the extension level of 161, right? That happens, retracement 61 to 78%, extension 127 or 161, the turn happens. All you have to do is use this system, and when the setup is there, put the expert advisor, and it takes the trade. Simple as that. All right. So yeah. So this is it for now. And by the way, the discount sale for 4th of July is still on until tomorrow midnight. Everything is 50% off on my website. especially one-on-one and combos. They are very powerful. Take it, learn from A to Z and how to do these analysis, and then take it from there. It becomes very easy once you learn and know exactly how the market move, when the market move, and how far the market move, and why the market move. All of these questions being answered in my course, and you will become master, and then you take it from there. All right. So this is it for now, and I talk to you guys in some other video.